The O5 error on your Rogers NextBox typically indicates a problem during the reboot process, often due to a failed firmware update or software glitch. This prevents the box from booting fully and accessing your TV services. Thankfully, in most cases, you can resolve this yourself. The primary DIY fix is a power cycle. To do this, first unplug the NextBox from the power outlet and disconnect all cables including HDMI, coaxial, and Ethernet. Wait 2 to 5 minutes to allow any residual power to discharge. Then, reconnect all the cables and plug the NextBox back into power. The box should reboot, ideally displaying a progress bar from 00 to 100. If it gets stuck again, repeat the process, but wait 10 minutes before plugging it back in. Also, avoid interrupting updates and use surge protectors to ensure stable power. If power cycling doesn't resolve the O5 error on your Rogers NextBox, it's time to contact Rogers for professional assistance. You can reach Rogers support through their app, website, or by calling 188-ROGERS-1. A certified technician will typically visit your home within 24 to 48 hours, or you may visit a Rogers store for assistance. The technician will diagnose the issue, replace the box if it's faulty, or re-image the firmware to resolve the problem. While standard troubleshooting is usually free, escalated hardware replacements may incur a cost of $100 or more. As cable set-top boxes decline with the rise of streaming platforms, Rogers is shifting towards hybrid services and cloud-based set-top boxes. In the future, expect more app-based services and over-the-air updates with fail-safes, minimizing reboot issues. However, cable will still remain relevant for areas with limited internet, so tech visits may still be needed.